Hello and welcome to Simple French Cooking. How are you? I've missed all of you so much. Today I am going to teach you the perfect late winter, almost spring salad that's just going to make you smile. Today I want to teach you how to make a shaved fennel and citrus salad that's going to blow your socks off. It would help me a lot if you like the video, you hit the bell to get notifications, and you shared this with your friends. Thanks. I learned how to cook from my mother. My mother is a beautiful French woman. Now she's 91 years old. And she cooked like jazz musicians riffed. She never looked at a recipe as a thing you had to follow. She just cooked free will based on the ingredients that she had in her house. And to me, that's the best kind of cooking. You know, get an inspiration, follow it to a point, but make it yours, make it your way. If I were in a restaurant, I would make this salad with blood oranges or just regular orange shaved fennel. But today I want to show you how just diverse the salad can be. I'm going to use this pomelo. I have all kinds of different citrus fruit. I'm just going to use whatever I have on hand. This salad is gorgeous and delicious just as it is. Now you have some decisions to make. You could keep going and adding ingredients. You could add a little bit of shaved Reggiano Parmesan. You could add a little bit of like a ball of burrata. Today I think I'm going to add some feta cheese to mine. Now you could also add, if you want like a little more crunch, you got crunch with the radishes, crunch with the fennel, but you could add some toasted walnuts or sliced almonds, or even pistachios would go great in this. I'm not really into sweet flavors, but you could have added a little touch of honey, maple syrup, or any other sweetener that you really like, just a little bit to offset the citrusy flavors in the dressing. I didn't use the vinegar because I want the citrus flavors to shine. My God, this looks good. That has all the flavors that just are great in a salad. The citrusy mixed with the saltiness from the cheese, the fattiness of the oil with the crunch. What a great winter salad. Oh, the pepperiness from the arugula that I added. It's so easy to make it the way you like it. Anyways, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Go to my blog site at simplefrenchcooking.com and get the recipe over there. Thanks so much for watching.